Thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, but worried about keeping your funds safe? Choosing the right crypto wallet can make or break your experience as a beginner. Stay tuned, because today on SmartCoin Chronicles, we're breaking down the top 5 crypto wallets for beginners in 2025 to help you start your journey securely and confidently. Hello and welcome to SmartCoin Chronicles. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the best tips on personal finance, investing, and crypto insights. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of crypto wallets, essential tools for anyone wanting to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrency safely. With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why I've narrowed it down to the top 5 crypto wallets that are beginner-friendly, secure, and packed with features to make managing your crypto a breeze. Part 1. What is a crypto wallet? Before we dive into the list, let's quickly cover the basics. A crypto wallet is a tool that allows you to store and manage your cryptocurrency securely. Think of it like a digital version of a wallet in your pocket. It keeps your funds safe, but also makes it easy to use them when needed. There are 2 main types of wallets. Hot wallets. These are online wallets connected to the internet, making them convenient for quick access. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets, offering maximum security since they aren't exposed to hackers. Both types have their pros and cons, and we'll talk about which is better for beginners as we go through the list. Part 2. Top 5 crypto wallets for beginners in 2025. 1. Coinbase wallet. First on our list is the Coinbase wallet. This wallet is perfect for beginners because of its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with the Coinbase exchange. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and even allows you to store NFTs. Plus, it comes with industry-leading security features. Why it's great for beginners: easy setup process, integration with one of the most trusted crypto exchanges, built-in tutorials to help you learn. 2. Trust Wallet. Next up is Trust Wallet, an excellent choice for anyone looking for versatility. It's owned by Binance, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, and supports over 1 million assets across various blockchains. What makes it stand out? Completely free to use, built-in dApp browser for exploring decentralized apps. High level of security with biometric options for extra protection. 3. Ledger Nano S Plus. If security is your top priority, the Ledger Nano S Plus is a must-have. This cold wallet is a hardware device that keeps your funds offline, away from any potential hacks. Why it's ideal for beginners: simple and compact design, supports over 5,000 cryptocurrencies, offers a secure backup in case. 4. MetaMask. For those interested in Ethereum-based tokens or NFTs, MetaMask is a fantastic option. This wallet is available as a browser extension or a mobile app, making it highly accessible. Key features: perfect for interacting with DeFi platforms. Easy to use interface for Ethereum beginners. Provides detailed transaction history and insights. 5. Exodus Wallet. Finally, we have the Exodus Wallet, known for its stunning design. This wallet makes managing crypto both beautiful and straightforward. It's available on both desktop and mobile, and offers a built-in exchange feature. What sets it apart? Beginner-friendly interface with 24/7 customer support. A wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Integration with Trezor hardware wallets for extra security. Part 3. Tips for choosing the right wallet. Before you decide, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Think about your needs. Are you planning to hold for the long term, or do you need quick access? Consider security. If you're holding large amounts, a hardware wallet like Ledger is a safer option. Ease of use. For beginners, simplicity is key. Apps like Coinbase and Trust Wallet are great starting points. Choosing the right crypto wallet is the first step towards a successful crypto journey. Whether you prioritize security, accessibility, or versatility, there's a wallet on this list for you. Let me know in the comments which wallet you're using or planning to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SmartCoin Chronicles for more crypto tips and insights.